Before buying a phone mount for your Dualshock 4, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of these mounts look the same, but it's the subtle differences that can make or break your mobile gaming experience. Product number 1, McBasil Phone Mount Clip. First up, we have the McBasil Phone Mount Clip. Priced at just $8.99, this little guy caught my attention for its affordability and solid 4.4-star rating from 1,500 reviews. If you want a budget-friendly solution that lets you game seamlessly on the go, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The McBasil mount is designed to fit smartphones up to 6 inches wide, so whether you're rocking an iPhone or an Android, it has you covered. The adjustable angle from 0 to 180 degrees means you can find that sweet spot for your gaming sessions, making it easier on your neck during long playtimes. Plus, it snaps onto your Dualshock 4 controller with a satisfying click, ensuring it won't wobble around while you're in the heat of battle. Now, some people complained about the plastic material feeling flimsy. Here's the thing though, while it's true that it's not metal, I found it durable enough for casual use. Just be gentle with it and you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and straightforward solution for mobile gaming. Skip this one if you need something that feels super premium or sturdier for frequent use. Now, if that price point made you hesitant, the next option is a bit pricier but offers some extra features. Product number 2, ADZ PS4 Controller Phone Mount. Next, let's talk about the ADZ PS4 Controller Phone Mount, priced at $12.99. With over 2,000 reviews and the same 4.4-star rating, this mount promises better connectivity and flexibility for your gaming experience. If you want a mount that makes mobile gaming feel like the real deal, check this out. The standout feature here is its wireless capability. You can connect your PS4 controller to any iPhone or Android device via Bluetooth, giving you that familiar feel while gaming on the move. Plus, it adjusts from 0 to 180 degrees, allowing for a customizable viewing angle that's perfect for long sessions. The compatibility with a wide range of phones means you won't have to worry about whether your device fits. However, some users mentioned it can be a little tricky to secure the phone properly. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal breaker. Just make sure to double-check the clamp before you dive into an intense gaming session. This is great for you if you're a frequent gamer who loves using the PS4 controller on mobile. Skip this if you prefer more solid construction since it might not feel as sturdy as you'd hope. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for comfort. Product number 3, Nyko Smart Clip. Now we have the Nyko Smart Clip for just $9.90. With a 4-star rating from 1,300 reviews, this one caught my eye for its unique design. If you want something that doesn't interfere with your controller's ergonomics, this could be your go-to. What's interesting about the Nyko Smart Clip is that it allows your phone to be positioned both horizontally and vertically, which is a huge plus for streaming games. It doesn't get in the way of any buttons or ports, so you can access everything without hassle. It's compatible with a wide array of phones, including iPhones and most Android devices, which means you're covered no matter your preference. However, I noticed some users felt it didn't hold larger phones very securely. Here's the thing, if you have a smaller device, you'll be just fine. But if you're rocking a bigger phone, you might want to consider that. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss solution that works well with various phone sizes. Skip this one if you have a larger phone and need something more secure for heavy gameplay. Now, if the Nyko didn't quite fit your needs, the next product offers a different kind of reliability. Product number 4, BRHE Phone Clip. Up next is the BRHE Phone Clip, also priced at $9.99. I was impressed by its 4.5-star rating from 1,200 reviews, signaling that many users are satisfied. If you're looking for something that promises a secure hold, keep listening. The BRHE Clip features a powerful grip and a well-designed clamp that ensures your phone stays in place, even during those intense moments in gameplay. It has a 160-degree adjustable viewing angle, allowing you to set it just right for your comfort. And let's not forget the metal stand at the back, which provides additional stability, a feature you didn't know you needed until you're in the middle of a game. Some users did mention that it can be a bit bulky when attached, which might be a concern for some. But I'll be real with you, if you're serious about gaming, that extra stability is worth a bit of bulk. This is ideal for you if you're someone who enjoys long gaming sessions and needs that extra security for your device. Skip this if you want something ultra compact, since this mount does take up a bit more space. Now, if you're looking for something specifically designed for the PS5, you might want to check out our last option. Product number 5, Orsley PS5 Controller Mobile Gaming Clip. Lastly, we have the Orsley PS5 Controller Mobile Gaming Clip at $13.91. This one has a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,700 reviews, making it a popular choice. If you've upgraded to a PS5 and want a mount that matches, listen up. The single locking articulation point is super intuitive and allows for easy adjustments, so you can minimize glare and find the perfect angle effortlessly. Plus, it's lightweight and folds away for easy transport, making it great for gaming on the go. The downside, it might not be as compatible with older phones, primarily if you're using something on the larger side. But honestly, if you have a recent phone, it should fit just fine. This is perfect for you if you own a PS5 and want a mount that complements your gaming setup. Skip this if you're still using an older model phone, as it may not provide the best fit. To wrap it up, we've looked at a variety of mounts, from the budget-friendly McBasil to the premium Orsley. Each has its strengths, so it's all about what fits your gaming style best. So there you have it. We've explored 5 solid options for Dualshock 4 phone mounts, each catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, adjustable, or made specifically for the PS5, there's something here for everyone. Choose the one that feels right for you, and happy gaming.